Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Senior Vice President, Nissan Motor Corporation and Chairman Nissan North America, Mr. Denis Levant.
Good morning, everyone. The IMS concept is not just a statement about the future of electrification or sedans. It is also a statement about the future of Nissan. At Nissan, we think the future is bright, especially here in North America. 2018 was another solid year for the Nissan Group in the US, with nearly 1.5 million vehicles sold. We also continue our strategy of producing where we sell and investing in the strengths of our US operations. Over the past 35 years, we have invested nearly $12 billion in our US manufacturing operations. So, from our US plant to Nissan facilities around the world, we will continue to invest so we can build cutting-edge, innovative new vehicles that future customers will demand, vehicles like the IMS. It represents a complete reinterpretation of the electric car in an elevated sports sedan. It's all-wheel drive, and it's all electric. A combination that delivers exciting performance with provocative proportions. Not just the future of the sedan, but the future of EV in one simple silhouette. And it's more than just an EV. It is Nissan's proof of what is possible when we put the full force of Nissan Intelligent Mobility behind and inside a sports sedan. A fully electric powertrain, the highest safety standard, and leading-edge technology. The result is a zero-emission driving experience that is more exciting, more enjoyable, and more elevated in style and function. We know Generation Z will continue to become a much larger part of our customer base. And these young consumers are already expressing a growing preference for sleeky style sedan over SUVs. And the IMS delivers on this taste, combining the next generation electric vehicle technology and virtual world connectivity wrapped in modern Japanese design. This is a testament to the creativity and artistry of our global team of designers. It is a unique design for electric and autonomous driving technology, while continuing Nissan's signature V-Motion design language. Because of that, we were able to create a sleek, sexy vehicle with larger interior space and groundbreaking proportions. And what about function? 3 additional features stand out. First, the graphic user interface, with its horizontal layout, is more intuitive for human eyes. But this is more than your typical graphic user interface. It is a gateway into a virtual world. Just last week at CES, we unveiled our invisible to visible technology that gives drivers more confidence by connecting them to a virtual world. And the IMS concept has this technology built in. Next, the EV system has dual electric motors in the front and rear, which generate 483 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. The 115 kilowatt-hour battery delivers an impressive estimated 380-mile driving range. And finally, the new platform design also features an advanced air suspension that adapts ride and handling for road condition and each driver's individual preferences. This car operates in either manual or fully autonomous mode, giving the driver more confidence whichever way they choose to travel. And be sure to check out the premier seat in the back. It is the perfect match for autonomous driving. So there you have it, the IMS concept. It is the latest example of how we envision the future of mobility as we head towards our goal of zero emission and zero fatalities on the road. Thank you very much to you all, and please join Alfonso and me on stage for a closer look to the concept. Alfonso?